Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how we can work with dates with MySQL. So we know that apart from numeric and text data types, we have a time related data type that is known as date. So let us see. We have select star from rental, and if I execute this, it is going to return us rows. Now you can see that there are three types of dates here: rental date, return date, and last update date. So as of now, just ignore the last update date and let's focus on return date and rental date. So these are two dates that signify when this particular film was rented out and when it was returned. So basically this is the rental database, and if I say DESC rental and if I execute this, it returns us the table structure. So let us have a look at it in detail. So here you can see the rental ID is an integer, rental date and return date, these are date time, and last update is basically a timestamp. So as of now, we are just going to focus on date time, and we are going to see how we can work with date time for retrieval of data. Now if I just say select star from rental where rental date equals to 2005 hyphen 05 24 22 53 30. So if I execute this, this is going to return us the row that has rental date equal to the date that we have specified. So this is how we can compare the rental date as it is, or any sort of date as it is, the entire date as well as the time when it was. Now we can also say something like copy. Basically you have to mention the date in the string format, and this is the string format it recognizes. So it is year, month and day, and this is minutes. This is hours, minutes and seconds. So if you specify this particular string, it is going to recognize it as a date. So I'm just going to go ahead and execute this query now. It doesn't have equality operator, yet it is going to return us records because any date time that is greater than this particular thing is going to be returned in the result set. Now we can also use between and that is very easy. $29. So if I execute this, this is the output. So this is 2005 0524 to 2005 0529. So this is the range, and whatever happens in between this range, that is returned in the result set. Finally, I'm going to show you the like operator, how we can use it. So any date which is like this 2005 0524, okay, is going to be returned here. Okay, sorry, I made a small mistake. Yeah, so this is going to be the correct query, and 2005 0524, and so anything that is there in 2005 year will be returned as a part of your result set. So this is how we can work with dates. So we saw how we can represent the dates in the text format, and then how we can use equality and non-equality operators. We also saw how we can work with a date range using between and and finally how we can use the like operator with dates. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. You will find plenty of tables in Sakila database that has got date time column. You can try all these queries with them, write your own queries. So it is going to help you to improve your knowledge of SQL and how to work with dates. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.